I'm close to finishing, so I'll finish this and then go through. Thank you for saying. Alright, just finished it. This is what it looks like. The wires and stuff that I'll add will be tomorrow. Actually, wait,